Hello, Melanie here from Root to Rise Wellness, and I'm here to share with you something I am making, which is a bitter herb blend for stimulating digestion and for just stimulating the gallbladder and the liver to function better. It's amazing to be able to make your own herbal medicine and not just not have to rely and spend as much money at the store, and also just having that relationship, and it's super easy. So what I have in here is I started mixing up dandelion root, which is really good for gallbladder, liver, and stimulating digestion. And I combine that with equal parts of fennel, which is carminative, which means it's soothing for gas and bloating. Also really great for reflux kind of issues. So I kind of added that in. Since fennel isn't bitter, I balanced that with putting some yellow dock. This was wild crafted yellow dock. This is just a little piece of it, just the root. And yellow dock is great for balancing. So you have regular bowels, and also great for if you suffer from anemia or any kind of iron condition. So we've got a little bit less of the yellow dock. Yellow dock is bitter, so it is anything bitter will stimulate digestion. So that is in there with the dandelion and the fennel. And then I got some fresh turmeric and ginger at the farmer's market, and so I chopped that up, which would be great for circulation as well as digestion and an anti-inflammatory. So there's a lot of actions actually in this. And what I'm gonna do is I weighed it using a scale and tared it, which means that it took away the weight of the glass. And I kind of did about 1:4 ratio. So one meaning the herbs, and then 4 parts of, and I used 100 proof vodka, which is about 50% alcohol. And so I measured that, and I'm just going to basically pour it over. You just have to make sure your herbs are covered. This is a little bit of a grandma kind of method of doing it. So I have all my herbs in this jar, and I am pouring over the alcohol, and then I will mix this up. I like to use actually a plastic top. Sometimes it makes it a bit easier for mixing. And so my herbs are just covered in there. You want to just leave a tiny bit of room on top. Stir it up, mix it up, and then after about 3 to 4 weeks, I will strain this out, and I will have a nice bitter blend. And I will take like half a teaspoon of this before and after meals for soothing the gut, and then also for stimulating digestion. And that is it. That is how you make. And you can also be creative with this too. You can do orange peel, for example, is bitter. You can put that in there. Lots of different options. Gentian, just a lot of options for herbs that can go in this. And that's it. Have a great day. Hope this video was something useful for you. Bye-bye, everyone. The health seeker in me honors the health seeker in you. Namaste.